Normally, the bacteria enter your body through the air and settle in the lungs, a huge system of living caverns defended by billions of macrophages. They are guardian cells specialized in hunting and destroying invaders. When the bacillus enters, the macrophages immediately attack and devour it alive. But unfortunately, that is tuberculosis's plan, because this bacteria is not just any parasite, it is a parasite of the immune system. When a macrophage catches an invader, it encloses it in a bubble called a phagosome and floods it with acid to disintegrate it. But tuberculosis has evolved a thick, waxy outer layer that makes it completely immune to these acids. And worse still, once inside, it hijacks the macrophage and turns it into a perfect host. Like a tiny vampire, tuberculosis slowly consumes the cell from within. Moreover, it reproduces extremely slowly. While other microbes multiply up to 60 times faster, overwhelming the immune system, tuberculosis goes slowly because it doesn't need to win the war in one stroke. It already won by being there. There's no rush. When the infected cell dies, the bacteria move to new macrophages. Although they are discreet, the decomposing remains they leave behind do trigger a real immune response. Your body notices something is wrong and mobilizes its defenses. But once again, this is part of the plan. Your immune cells attack with everything, but that waxy cell wall turns the bacteria into an almost impenetrable fortress. And in the attempt, many of those attackers also end up infected. So when they can't kill it anymore, they do the next best thing. They try to enclose it. This is where the granuloma forms, a kind of white bubble. In the center, there is a core of infected and dead macrophages, a kind of nourishing home for the bacteria. Around it, other immune cells form a ring, like a wall to contain it. This creates a safe space where tuberculosis can remain for years. It is even protected from medications and releases chemicals that hinder the activation of more powerful immune weapons. This is the stalemate state of tuberculosis. The infection enters a latent mode. The bacteria is still alive doing its thing. And this is happening right now in up to 2 billion people. But in 1 out of every 10 cases, the disease awakens. And when it does, everything changes.